Hedary on Kent Bergsma. Did somebody find my lab coat? I need my lab coat because obviously you can't be a Mercedes professional without a lab coat, right? Well, I don't know. Kent's a good guy too. I don't think that he and I are that different. Kent's sort of on my team, I would say that, because he advocates for the preservation of older Mercedes. He likes the cars. He generally believes that they're good cars. His methodology is good. I don't think that he has the same level of transparency that I do, but if he is depending on YouTube to make a living, I can't blame him because he seems to be doing a pretty good job of it. In a few weeks, when my friend Greg gets back from his 3,000-mile road trip in his 300D, while he is testing Kent Bergsma's turbocharger rebuild kit, I will let you know the assessment of his product. But I don't want to say anything here because I don't want anybody to think that I think that Kent is selling junk. I just think that some of his stuff isn't as good as he says it is. Or in the case of this turbocharger kit, we had to retain the old parts and some of the old parts and install the new shaft and compressor wheel from the kit. So that's how that went. But I don't see Kent as a bad guy either. I think that he and I are definitely working towards the same goal. And someday I'd like to meet him and do a video with him. So, you know, in the meantime, there are plenty of classic Mercedes out there, and we need plenty of people to advocate for them. And no matter how you choose to do that, I stand behind you. And if you do happen to make a little money, that's okay. Anyway, look forward to the review of Kent Bergsma's turbocharger rebuild kit for the Garrett T3 Turbo. Thanks. Bye.